What's up guys, welcome once again to see amazing gadget videos. So guys, today I am bringing far more amazing gadget and bring this world's smallest drone. If you want, you can buy from Amazon or Flipkart store. So before we going to start the video, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification from our channel. Pixel Buds. Guys, Pixel Bud is specially made by Google. In this you can get all the smart features. Yes, you heard me right. Because of this unique design, it can comfortably fit inside your ear easily. Even you can connect with your mobile. Using this you can hear music with high quality speakers. You can hear it. Not only just you can take the incoming calls or receive with noise cancellation features so you can talk easily, and you also use these buds. You can translate any language and listen to it, and also these buds Bluetooth range is pretty wide range, and also the battery life is around 5 hours battery provided, in which you can discharge. You can put up in the case to charge up easily. So guys, if you like these buds, tell me in the comment section. Print Cube. Although printers are very large in size, I am not talking about text printers. I am talking about printing on cloth, which are very costly. Not everyone can buy. So in this situation, I am bringing you this portable, world's most smallest printer, and this is a very small size. You can put it in a bag easily. So let's talk about it. How to use this? So first of all, your Android or iOS mobile, you have to connect your printer with your Wi-Fi, and also you have to download the official application on your mobile. Use this application. You can send the text image, upload and print it on the printed surface, and then just slide it. Then you can see this text image which you uploaded will seen in just 2 or 3 seconds, and also you can print as many printer surface as you can, just like cloth, wooden, plastic, mobile, back covers, paper, and also on your skin. And also the battery provided is running 6 hours battery life provided, in case you can charge it whenever you want to work it. So guys, if you want anything to print, so this gadget is perfect for you. Jet Ultra. Guys, in the market you can get dozens of drone is available, but here guys, when feature is upgraded, in which sizes also get upgraded. Likewise with cool features you purchase, the size of a drone is also pretty big. So if you are finding a new drone, just take a look of this Jet Ultra drone, because this is the world's smallest and light in weight drone which made by Motra company. You can use in your home or outside place, which you can fly with easily. You can get a remote controller using this. You can control it in this drone. It has an inbuilt camera with high resolution camera HD. You can easily live record with your it and see it in your mobile. Using this drone, you can do a hilarious stunts, and this drone have a 3 speeds and gyroscope inbuilt, which you can fly up to 100 feet for 5 minutes. And when you're done playing with this drone, you can easily put inside this drone into your controller. So guys, how do you like this gadget? Tell us in the comment section. Chefman. So guys, in your home you have a fridge definitely, and also you knew the size of it and how big they are, but the size are made for the home use. So guys, this is a portable car size freezer. In this 4-liter capacity, you can see in this you can put 6 can inside in it, and also the food items, and also for power on, it is on the back side on and off switch. It has given, just give switch on, and also you will get 2 temperature options in it. In case if you have food items and make it hot, switch it on hot, or if you want to cold temperature, switch it on cold. After that your favorite drinks are cold and chilled. And talking about the power source, you can give it in two external ways to give a power. First is DC 12 volt, in which you can plug it in your car and turn it on, and second one is 1/10 volt. You can use this in your home. So guys, if you like this fridge, please like this video. Atmos. So in front of your home you didn't have any beautiful scene, and if you wish to get up and want to see a different scenarios that makes you happy, so this smart gadget window install at your home. In this inbuilt display ultra HD quality, inside this you can see all the different scenarios you can see, and if you want to control, just connect with your smartphone. Using this you can get a multiple windows, you can get 1000 4K images or videos you can see, and you can get vibrate means bass full wireless speaker. You can get, and connectivity range is pretty long. Even if you are not in your home, you can still control it. It has a special feature in this. It has a hidden CCTV camera installed in it. It can show the live video, send it to your mobile. You can still see your home for security. So guys, hope you enjoy the video, and share it with your friends and family, and also tell me in the comment section. And wait, where you guys are going? Wait, have you subscribed our channel? No? So hit the subscribe button right below. It takes a matter of second, and click on the bell icon so you get the notification about my new videos. And please check our other videos also. You can also connect me on my Instagram, Lethal Gadgets, Facebook, Unboxing with Pranav, and my Twitter handle also. Please connect me with on Blogger. My URL is pranav.ideasunlimited.net. Second URL is unboxing.ideasunlimited.net. Links are in the description below. Till then, I will meet you on some simple, beautiful, and interesting videos at my tech gadget unboxing. Feel free to support me. Peace.